Okay, so me and Terrence are out here.
What's going on?
We're replacing the sunroof in the Minis. So if you ever need to remove your R53 sunroof, we're going to show you how to do it. So you want to start with your surrounding bolts.
All the way around. Which these are missing a bunch of them.
And then
You want to pull your drains. All you do is grab it and pull it straight back. And unhook it. Grab it, pull it straight back. You got one up there, bud. Alright.
And you got the one on the other side, right?
Yeah, they'll come up here. If you are doing this by yourself, it is very, very possible that you can do it by yourself. These little clips that are right here is what the sunroof will come down and sit on. That way you can take the remainder of the bolts out and the back two bolts. Lay down in here, lay it down on your chest, and then you can scoot out the car with it. But these brackets, that's what they're made for, is for the sunroof to come down and latch onto this bracket. That way you can get it out with one person. Got one over there.
And what size are those?
This is a T30. Once you got those out, take this and slowly let it come down. See how it's sitting on them brackets now? Come up here, Dalton. Can you see that it's trying to come out? You want to make sure this weather stripping comes out with it.
This weather stripping.
That's pretty much all there is to it, bro. Not much. Of course, you would have a lot more bolts if it had all the bolts in it. It just don't have all the bolts in it. But you see how it's laid down right now? It's ready to come out. Now you just get an extra hand, get them to hold up on the front, you grab the back, and then you can walk it out the back of the car.
All right.
Just leaning up against this other one.
Just like that. There's Sean.
Sean's got to go. Come on, you got to hold this so it doesn't fall. Okay.
Once it's on there, it should hold itself.
Watch me.
Like that. And then I'll wipe the outside of it down. You want to put this sill in first. Come over here. That sill goes right here. So when you go put that sunroof up, it's going to ride in between these two channels right here. You want to make sure all this is cleaned up. You don't want all that dirt and nasty grump in there. Take a blower, air blower, and just blow it out. Now that I got the exterior blown out where that sill go in and sit smooth, and there won't be a bunch of gunk in the way, come around to the backside, Dalton. You want to take your air blower. It just has a little rubber nozzle on the front of it. Go right here inside your drains and make sure your drains are clear. These drains are very important. These drains are what's going to keep the water from going inside of your vehicle. Their position, come over here. So your two rear drains, they hook up right here, just like before, and they dump right here. That's where it dumps the water on the outside of the car. Your front drains are the same way, but they don't dump immediately. So your front drains right here, it runs down this A-pillar right here into this fender, and that's where it dumps that water. If any of these drains are clogged up, that's what's going to cause you to get water on the inside of your vehicle. Make sure that you clean these. You just blow them out, make sure they're unclogged. It is a rule of thumb about every 2 or 3 years to go ahead and clean those drains to prevent water damage inside of your vehicle. Pick it up from the side.
Okay, well the screw's still up there.
Huh?
Where's that? No. sealing good.
Where's your camera?
Right here.
Okay. There's 2 different size bolts. Okay, guys, look up in here. You'll see. Can you look over here? This doesn't have a collar on it like this right here, okay?
Where's your hand at?
Right here. It doesn't have a collar like this, so that's going to be the ones that take the short bolts. Once you get your 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then your 2 sides, it'll be supported where it won't break. All right, back up. That's one bolt. Once those are in, you just want to go through and fill up all your bolt holes. And that's all there is to it, boys. She's ready to go.
When you're done, make sure you hook your drains back up. So we just finished putting the other one back in the green car. Took maybe 5 minutes. The only thing left would be installing this bracket and our sunshades back into this one right here. Just bolts up into here. Really simple. Just slides onto this right here, this rail. Super simple. I might have a clip of it, might not, but nothing too hard. Here's this just pops in, and then it's your slider. It slides through.
And that's all there is to it, boys. She's ready to go.